So here in this topic, that is very simple. What you're looking is to find out if a point lies on the line, and the way to do it is just by plugging the values of the points, the x and y coordinate, in the equation, and make sure that the equation is true. So when you plug those numbers, and you will find out that the value that you get when you simplify it should be equal to the c in this equation of the general form. But this time, in the question 4, they're asking me for an unknown that is part of the point. So what they want is find b to make it true. So here the only difficulty is that you have to do more algebra and just find b. So how is this? For example, for f, my point is -3 and b. So as you know, what we need to do is to find out, just by looking at that, this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate, and I just have to replace it in my equation that is here. So these x and y are the value that I need to plug. So my x is -3 over 3, if I look at the equation, plus y. Here I don't have a value, so this is an unknown, and I just plug it as b. There you go, done. Over 2 equal -b. So the question goes in a term that what would be the value of b to make this true? So what I have to do is just solve this equation, and the b is like what we were doing before. It's like this is our x in my equation, so I need to isolate b. In this case here, we can simplify. So first thing that you do is look, can I simplify something? Yes. So this becomes -1 plus b over 2 equal -b. So what we're gonna do is grab this -b and move it over here. So we have a positive, and then move -1 to the other side. So here, the way that I isolate, let's do it first with 1. I should have +1 in both sides, okay, and I should have -b in both sides, okay. So here I can simplify that, and I can simplify this. So at the end, you will have b over 2 minus b equal 1. And we have a fraction here, so what you have to do, property of fraction, make the second term here to have the same denominator, okay. So at the end, when I have the same denominator, I can apply the properties of addition and subtraction. So b minus 2b will be -b, and the denominator is 2, and there you go, 1. Now, is that my final answer? No, I'm looking for b. So I need to get rid of the 2 by timing both sides by 2, and because there is a sign, I will do it right away. I will time by -2 both sides. By doing that, I will get the value of b, that is -2. So if I want this point to lie on the line, b should be equal to -2.